I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping and assembling ingredients so frying goes smoothly. First, pat 6-8 Oz fish fillets dry and season lightly. This helps batter adhere. Next, mix 1 cup flour with 1 tsp baking powder and gradually whisk in 1 cup cold beer or sparkling water until just combined. Overmixing makes it heavy. While you rest the batter for a few minutes, heat neutral oil to 180 degrees C, 350 degrees F. Once the oil reaches temp, you move on to the middle work where timing matters. Start chips first. Cut potatoes into 1/2 strips, rinse to remove starch, dry thoroughly, and par-fry at 160 degrees C, 320 degrees F for about 5-7 minutes until tender but pale. Then toss fish in flour to help batter stick, dip into batter, and carefully lower into oil at 180 degrees C. Fry for 6 minutes until golden and cooked through. Finally, double fry the chips at 190 degrees C, 300. You complete the dish by draining and seasoning to preserve texture and heat. Transfer fish and chips to a wire rack over a tray so steam escapes, and season right away with salt. This locks flavor. Confirm fish is opaque and flakes easily from the thickest part. Cut one open if unsure. If chips or batter come out soggy, make sure you aren't overcrowding the fryer, increase oil temperature slightly, and use the double fry method for better crispness. That usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.